again, we've got complete convex radii everywhere, flush-mounted headlights, LEDs, low ground clearance, as you can see. The complete body is made out of carbon fiber. The cab itself, the hood, the bumper, both side skirts are made out of carbon fiber. That way we're able to utilize that material to use this beautiful aerodynamic shape.
So we've adopted two systems here, one to give variable control for the intercooler portion, and then a second system to give control for the main cooling module portion. So those can be tuned independently and controlled independently to either give you full closure or partial open, close on the bottom. But the goal is that Bob will be able to monitor, and based on the temperatures and the loads of the engine, they will open and close accordingly.
We wanted the hot air from the engine to come out from the engine bay. So we direct the hot air out the side skirts like this. And it's kind of a neat looking feature too. It gives it kind of a race truck type look. The only non-carbon fiber assembly we have on the cab itself is these 13-inch cab extenders, they're called, and our aerodynamic gap sealer system, which closes these flaps between the tractor and the trailer at 50 miles an hour to add increased aerodynamic efficiency. We have wide base tires, so instead of an 18-wheeler, this is only a 10-wheeler. What expends energy on a tire is a sidewall flexing, and from here back we have half as many sidewalls. So we've got Bridgestone wide base tires on the tractor and the trailer, full aerodynamic skirts all the way down into the trailer as well. So we didn't have to have an opening for a landing gear to crank the landing gear up and down if we wanted to drop the trailer. We've got a pneumatic system, press the buttons, landing gear comes down, press the button, the landing gear goes back up, so that's kind of a neat feature. Let the air straight by as well. Aerodynamically, the rear of a vehicle is more important than the front of the vehicle. To that end, we designed this custom boat tail to take advantage of our full laminar flow on the side of the vehicle. There are commercial boat tails that come out and stop about here, above the door handles or so. So we wanted to take advantage, and I worked with the engineers at this company, and we designed this so we wouldn't have any aerodynamic flutter down here. A couple other things we did with this boat tail. It's more efficient the higher you raise it, and up until February of this year, just a couple months ago, you were not able to do that because you'd obscure the 3 ID lights up on top. So the feds just passed a law in February, mid-February, where if you drilled holes in the trailer and added the 3 lights up there down the bottom, now we're good. We want that trailer tail as high as possible for aerodynamic efficiency and still be legit.
What we've done here is we're using an FA4 product, full synthetic 5W30. In fact, the name of the product is Rotella T6 Ultra 5W30 full synthetic. Now you aren't going to see that any place in the market because we haven't launched it yet. But that's the product that we developed. When the market is ready for it, we'll have the product available to launch. So it's a lower viscosity oil. It takes less energy to pump throughout the system, and therefore provides a fuel economy advantage. We've done the same thing throughout the rest of the drivetrain. We've put low viscosity axle oils, our Spyrex S5, ADE 75W85, not a product that we have here in the US, but Shell being a global company, we were able to pull from all parts of the world. So that product right now is a product as part of a fuel economy package for an OEM over in Europe. So we're able to pull from that and put it in here. It's a fully formulated API GL5, provides all the durability that we need to for the axles that are on here, but we put that in here as well. And then in the transmission, again, we've done the same thing on lower viscosity with our Spyrex S6 GME 75W80 transmission fluid. All these things to provide incremental benefits in fuel economy and reduce fuel consumption.